you go. And then there you go. Lovely, coming out to the left. That's it. And then foot off the clutch onto that resting clutch on the left. Lovely, that's it. And just get a feel for the car now, as we said. That's it. And then braking now. Off the brakes, start to turn in onto the curb on the right. Hold your throttle steady now, so hold it nice and level. You don't want to be accelerated, you don't want to be decelerated, just hold it nice and level now, that's it. Let it come that little bit wider, hold it level, don't accelerate, hold it level, hold it level. Ignore, because otherwise the weight of the car is seesawing like that. Yeah. Hit the curb on the right, that's it, hit the curb on the left, so again, hold your foot level, don't surge it on and off like that, just hold it level, alright? Yeah. Into the middle, tighten it up, stay on throttle all the way around the corner, all the way around, stay on it, that's it, lovely. And now brake smoothly all the way around into the cone. So stay on brakes into the cone, hands in the right places, don't shuffle. Hit the curb on the left, because otherwise it makes it unstable, man. Go through the right hand side, feeding in the power now, feeding the power. Off you go, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then braking now, stay out wide. Off the brakes, start to turn in, that's it. Onto the curb on the right, onto the curb, unwind the wheel, feeding the power now. Brake hard now, brake hard, off the brakes, onto the curb on the right, and hold your throttle level, alright? Don't brake, hold it level, hold your throttle steady now, alright? Alright, lovely. Let it come a little bit wider, that's it. So, yeah, hold your foot exactly where it is now. Don't come off it, don't let the car slow down. So a little bit more, that's it, that's it, that's it. Hit the curb on the left, so don't come off the throttle now, don't come off it, don't come off it. Tighten it up, use that curb. Stay on it, don't come off it, that's it. Now braking. So brake and turn, just cross your arms over like that, lovely, and then use the curb on the left. So you see how much more control you have when you just keep, yeah, lovely. Go through the right, feeding the power now, feeding the power, that's it, that's it. And then braking now, staying out wide, off the brakes, start to turn in now. Onto the curb on the right, feeding in the power now, that's it. Now brake hard now, brake hard. Off the brakes, onto the curb on the right. Onto the curb, hold it nice and level now. Find that balance on the throttle. That's it, that's it. Let it come a little bit wider, ignoring the first curb. Don't come off the throttle now, hold it exactly where it is now. Hit the curb on the right, hit the curb on the left as well. That's it. Hold it steady, don't accelerate, because otherwise you'll lift mid-corner like that and suddenly it gets unstable. Feel the car suddenly dip down like that. That's what you want to avoid, man. That's why you stay on throttle. Stay on brakes all the way around. Off the brakes now, use the curb on the left. Find your throttle, that's it. Go through the right hand side, feeding the power now. And then brake hard and carry on into the pit. So carry straight on, straight on, straight on. Slow it down, touch